Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNVC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can manage to hold up here above 0.019. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0.019, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to somehow stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line, or excuse me, just watch the green line there, but the purple line more so in particular, because as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart, and the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Again, watching the green line up there, yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would certainly be the most powerful sign. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. About 4 times earlier on in the day, the price tried to get up through 0.0225, could not quite do that. Good news is that that level is definitely within striking distance. After the final 30 minutes today, price got right up around that area. So assuming there's no gap downs, then it's looking like there's a very logical, there's a very it's rational to think that a breakout could happen. Whereas if the price was down here at 0.018 and people were saying, oh, it's going to break out to new highs, well, at that point, I don't quite know if that's rational to say. But given the price is well within striking distance, while not a guarantee, it's at least a logical and rational thought to have. So we'll see if the bulls can get the breakout of that area up there. All in all, though, great looking move, great looking volume, and the week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.